Hello everyone, welcome back to my data science journey. This is day 2 and today I learned about loops in Python. Today I learned if else, for loop, while loop, range, break and continue, nested loop, list comprehension. The if else part was easy to understand. For loop and while loop were also simple. They help us repeat tasks without writing the same code again and again. I also learned about range, break, continue and nested loops. The most challenging part was list comprehension. At first, they looked confusing because everything was written in a single line. So I picked a few examples and slowly started to understand how they work. By the end of the day, I had a good understanding of Python loops and list comprehension. That's day 2 done. If you want the complete 7 months data science roadmap, I am following comment roadmap. Thank you for watching and I will see you on day 3.